Dirt Dad here. Let's name my new girls. Egg Sheeran, Nugget. This is Gwyneth Paltrow. She only drinks alkaline rainwater and eats organic food scraps. Chick Jagger, Lord of the Wings, Pickles. This is Pepper. I like Pepper. And she could yeah. You like belly scratches? Cheddar. Peg and Scratch. This is definitely a scratch. Hannibal Lecter. Meryl Cheap. Meryl Cheap. Grossly underestimated how long it was going to take me to catch 40 chickens. Yeah, I got ya. Bok Bok Choy. Shakira. Tenders. Benjamin Franklin. Oprah Winfrey. Hen Stefani. Chick Magnet. Cluck and Dagger. Fried. Butter. Hen and Tonic. Benedict. Henny and Penny. Cluck Kent. Hen Solo and Princess Leia. Chickpea. Cluck Norris and Chick Eastwood. Scrambled. And Jennifer Lopez. And you cut down. Okay. I'm going to do this for the camera.